So this is outside our very first house. This is where it all started. 206B 10th Street. We bought A and B on the same title, and that's where it all started. We rented the other side out, lived in this side for a couple years.
About a year and a half.
And then we got enough money to move out, bought another house, built that house, and then we bought a few other properties from then. But this is where it all started.
Yep. And now we're selling everything and moving to Nicaragua. Real estate, generally speaking, is a long game. You want to own the property for a period of time so that the value increases and you sell for a profit.
For this kind of real estate investment, you need to be in the right place at the right time and time the market. Buy low, sell high.
For a rental or income property, your aim is at minimum to collect enough rent to cover all expenses, but ideally to cover expenses and turn a monthly profit. With this house, we were able to buy low, sell high, and profit monthly. Just looking at the sale, we made nearly $80,000 once we paid our agent, the lawyers, and paid off what was still owing on the mortgage.
The rental income paid for all expenses, including the mortgage. Plus, we set aside money for regular maintenance and upgrades. For 18 years, our tenants paid for the property. We only invested the initial $7,500 of our own money.
The majority of the monthly profits we reinvested, making additional money. Rental properties are the backbone of our early retirement plans, and we're retiring at 45. We have just 9 months of work left at our full-time jobs, and then we're heading to live at our home in Nicaragua full-time. Check out other videos on our channel to learn more about how you could retire early and to follow our Nicaragua adventures.
While we didn't invest much of our own money into this property, we did invest a lot of our time.
We turned a $7,500 investment into $340,000 over an 18-year period. This was truly an amazing venture. As this chapter of our lives closes, it's a little emotional, but we're excited to move on to our next big adventure. Follow along by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit that like button and drop us a comment. We would love to hear about your real estate adventures.